Well, g'day mate. G'day mate. I was just cooking misangas on the Barbie and it gave me an idea for the perfect cake. Let's see. Come on.
La 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 la. Emma's treat of the kitchen. La 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 la. Emma's got her cupcakes, her surprise jelly. La 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 la.
Now before we start, we have to make sure our kitchen hands are looking their best.
First we got our lead kitchen hand, Samantha Davey, looking her best with her headpiece, and turn around, give us a look, and her beautiful hair.
And this is Bradley Bughole. He is my second hand assistant. He's not that great. Second of all, we have to wash our hands. So go like this, you put it on, you get a little bit of soap, we rub that in, so it's nice and see how it sort of goes white and foamy? Looks like that. You run it under some hot water. And first of all, we're going to ask Samantha what to do.
Okay, we need to preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit.
I'll leave you to do that. And next of all, we have to spray this canola oil non-stick cooking spray into the cake tin. We don't want too much, just like that. Okay, and we need to cut up the butter so it fits in here, because we need half a cup of butter. So perhaps that much. We're just going to melt that in the microwave. So we put a full cup, which is this amount of sugar. You can either use brown sugar or white sugar. The recipe says white sugar, but if you want it more healthier, a more healthier cupcake, it's better to use brown sugar. And it tastes the same, and it cooks the same. It's just a more healthier solution. So first we're going to pour the butter in, so that's now half a cup. Pour that in. Make sure we get all of it out. Then we're going to pour the cup of sugar in. Then we're going to stir that to browns. We have to cream it together. So we've creamed in our sugar and butter. And then we need 2 tablespoons of this, just to make sure. We'll put it in here. Just 1. 2. That's perfect. Then we just pour in the rest, because in a little bit. Okay, so now we're going to break the eggs. Now you have to do it in a separate one, because we have to add them separate, and we don't want to get any shell in the real base. So we go like that till it cracks. Then you crack the shell like so, and you get the whole egg out for this cake. But for meringues, you would only get the white, not the yolk.
But we're not making meringues, so it doesn't matter.
But we might on another episode, you never know what I'm going to do. So then we put that egg in. I have to stir that. We don't have to do it all the way, just like that or so. So we can put the other egg in. After that's all mixed in, you add a tablespoon and 3/4 of this stuff. So here's the 3/4 going in. Now we need to put a hole in. And that's the hole in. We give that a good stir. Okay, now we need 1½ cups of flour. That's our 1½ Here's another half. Another half. So we're going to sift in our half and our 1 cups of flour, and then just to make it a bit easier, just going to use a knife to get it all in. So after that we stir all that in. finish stirring this in. We'll let that sit for a while and we'll get our half a cup of milk. I don't know if it's going to be enough, so we might need... yes, we're just lucky. So that's a half a cup. But first we'll just finish stirring this in. Now I'm just going to add a little bit of milk, because you add the milk a little bit at a time. And it just makes the stirring easier. And we need to stir this till it's smooth. Add a bit more. Add a tiny bits by bits. Now we're going to make a little bit of a well in the centre. Like that. To pour it into.
Interesting.
Now a bit more milk.
Whoops.
It's working. Okay, now come over and we'll stick it in the oven. Remember we greased it, so now we'll just pop that in the oven like so. Leave it for 40 minutes. Till it's golden brown and it'll be ready. So this is the cake. We'll just close up the oven and turn it on. See? So now we're just cooking it.
Looks pretty delicious.
Flat, dead flat in the middle.
Maybe, I don't know, we did heaps of things wrong.
Okay.
Do you want to try it with maple syrup?
Hot.
Do you want to try it with maple syrup?
That's really hot.
I told you.
So that was a disaster. That was delicious.